Hi, welcome back to my channel, Life with Silly Piper. Make sure after this video to subscribe to my channel. Okay, today we are going to make stuff out of recycling and trash. Some of the things you'll need: 2 cans. If you make sure you have adult supervision because you might poke yourself on them. You also will need bubble wrap. And if you have something, you can get some sort of box. Either way, size or something, at least just this big. And we have some of this like paper type thing. And today we are going to be making a spinner top. The first thing you also need some markers, a glue stick, some rubber bands, a pen, and scissors. Pause the video if you need to get the items and go get them quickly if you want to do the craft. Okay, let's get started. So first, the 2 things you'll need at first is 2 cans. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab whatever size box you have. I'm gonna use this one. And you're gonna grab your scissors and you are gonna cut either a rectangle or a square. And you're about gonna cut it at least the size of this. After you're done with that, you're gonna put the cans on each side. I'm gonna finish cutting this while you guys get the rest of your supplies or start cutting. So today we're gonna be making a spinner top type thing where, you know, those things where you spin them. Except we're making them out of trash and recycling. If you do not have a paper box, you can use any sort of other box. Just make sure you ask your parents before you use anything. And also make sure you have adult supervision with the cans and sometimes the scissors. If you're under 4, I would definitely have your parents help you cut this. So you're going to finish cutting this. Pause the video if you need to finish cutting. And then you can unpause it when you're done. So I just got this out. The next thing you're gonna do is you're going to get any sort of paper. It doesn't have to be this kind of paper. And cut it into a circle. It can be any size. I'm about to cut it like about the size of this can. So what you're gonna do, we could probably use a pen to mark out where you're gonna. If you are under 5, I would recommend to draw it. It can be any size you want. You can make it medium. You can make it big. It just depends on the size of your can. I would make it about a little bigger than how you usually would make it, like a little bigger than your can. So you want to cut them out. And again, if you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause it now. Okay, so you're gonna finish cutting out your circles. And what you're gonna do with your first circle is you are going to put some glue on here. Measure the can with the pen first and draw out how big your can is. And if you need some help, ask an adult or anybody older than you. So you can see here, this is the shape of the can. You are not going to go outside of it. You are going to go inside where you made the lines. And you are going to glue this on top. Make sure you push it down. I would have your parents push it down in case you get on the sharp parts. And if it doesn't stick, I would add more glue. Oh my gosh. And you can push it in, which makes it easier to fold. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold the sides up really tight. You have to push it in. Okay, now if you got that done, you're gonna flip it over and make sure I might need a towel for under this, but you glue inside and on the edges. And you are going to stick it on or in the middle of your cardboard. If I can do this. And then you are going to use some rubber bands to help support it. So first you have to stretch the rubber band out. Put it around, about under the can. Oh no. And you are going to put this on top. Oh no. And make sure you have an adult help this because the rubber band can snap. And then you're going to flip it over. And you might need something to support it on the sides. And then you're going to get your other can and cut out your other circle and do the same process. So you're going to cut it out. And remember, pause the video if you need to finish cutting out your circle. And make sure that you have all the supplies because later we're going to use the other supplies. And you're going to put glue on this side, but first remember you have to trace it. And make sure it's okay if you don't get the lines perfect, but you need to get at least a full circle. It doesn't have to be the best lines in the world, like mine are a little faded. So you have to remember to do that. It's okay if you don't want to do that. You can just put glue on it and glue it on if you like. But you're going to put glue again. And you're going to stick the can on. And then you would push that on. Then remember the process. You're going to push this in. And then you're going to put glue in the middle and on the sides. And make sure you have a towel under this. And then you are going to glue this right on here. And then you're going to get another rubber band and put it right over. You have to be really careful. You might want to have an adult help you with the second one. And that's the project. Thank you for watching Life is Silly Piper. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you spin this fabulous.